Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to give you a quick type sample of this typewriter, show you how everything works. I think these are some of the best typewriters ever. They're really tight. Everything is super precise. The carriage mechanism is just the smoothest. Just the design is, I really think these are maybe the best ever. The color combo is not my favorite, I'll admit that, but once you use it and feel it, once you write with it a little bit, man, it's they really stand out. So the only thing with this one that seemed a little weird to me is when I'm gonna go feed the paper in here, usually it doesn't always grab it like that. I did that time. So usually what I do is I just disengage this a little bit, and when you feed it in, you can kind of feel it sliding between the platen and the rollers, and once you feel it, you just have to disengage it, or engage it rather, and it'll grab it right away, and then you're good to go. But I'll show you type sample, give you all the characters, and you'll see this one's in really good shape. And you can go really fast too. It has blue, this does work with dual colored ribbons. So right now I have it on the black setting. I'll move this up to the red setting and I'll show you the all caps. Backspace works. And then I'll give you the numbers. And the figures. And the tabs on this, the way the tabs work, if you need to like set various stops along, whatever, you can set as many as you want. You just use this right here and you set them by pushing it up. And then you can set another one here, and here, and here. And then you just tab through them with the tab key. Those are the tabs. And then to clear them, you just go back and you pull it down, the minus sign, that's gonna get rid of the tab. And that's it, that'll clear them all. And I think that's pretty much it on this one. Again, everything's in really good shape. This over here is how you set the line spacing. I have it on single right now, but you can do 1.5 or double line spacing. And then the ribbon on this is, the imprint is, it's really clean. But when it's time to replace them, that piece just comes off. These two right here, feed it through this mechanism, and you'll have to, I think there's videos on how to do that. It's it can be complex, but you'll figure it out. It's simple enough. But yeah, this is one of the best typewriters you can get, in my opinion, as far as reliability and features, and just the way, man, I didn't really put a whole lot of time into describing this, but it's just it really stands out in a lot of ways. And I'll show you the print sample here. That's it. And you can see really clean imprint. No smears, no smudging. And everything's aligned. And so yeah, that's it. I do have the case also. Case is in pretty good shape. that's it right there. It does lock into place. Still got the 4 feet on the bottom. And so yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know.